How to create animal educational skeleton videos like these. Watch this video carefully. Recently, I saw this channel making these types of animal skeleton style videos, and just 12 videos helped this creator gain around 50,000 subscribers in only 9 days. And as you guys know, on our channel, we only post free and proven methods to create trending AI videos. So today once again, we are going to teach you how to create these types of animal educational videos using 100% free AI tools. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPTs, and search for a GPT model named X-ray Animal Reference. Open it and click on Start Chat. Now type the name of the animal you want to create a video about. For example, dog. The GPT will generate 4 image prompts for you. We will use these prompts to create reference images for our videos. Now carefully copy the first complete prompt from that image prompt section. After copying it, go to Grok AI and open the Text to Image or Imagine section. Paste the copied prompt into the text box and click Generate. After a few seconds, you will get a green screen skeleton style image of the dog. Download the image you like the most. In the same way, copy the remaining prompts one by one from ChatGPT and paste them into Grok AI to generate front view and side view images. Download all of them. These green screen images will act as your sample images, and you can reuse them for your entire channel in future videos. Now to generate full scenes with proper backgrounds, go back to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs again, and this time search for a GPT model named Animal X-ray Shots. Open it and click Start Chat. Now type your video idea clearly, for example, dog eating a burger. After you send it, ChatGPT will generate multiple detailed scene prompts including background, action, and camera angle. Now again go to Grok AI. This time, upload one of the sample green screen dog images that you downloaded earlier, depending on whether you need a front view or side view for that particular scene. You can randomly use any image from those 4. Then copy the first full scene prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Grok AI's prompt box. Click Generate, and your full background scene image will be ready. Download it and repeat the same process for all the remaining scene prompts until all your images are generated. After generating all the images, we will convert them into videos. But first, decide the topic of your video, for example, what happens if your dog eats only burgers? Now open Grok AI's image to video feature and upload the first scene image. In the prompt box, describe the motion of your story in simple words, for example, the dog curiously sniffs a burger before taking a bite, then click Generate and download the video. For the second scene, upload the second image and write that the dog eats the burger more aggressively. Download it once it is generated. For the third scene, upload the next image and write that the dog becomes fatter and looks less healthy while eating the burger, then download it. For the fourth scene, generate a video where the dog has accumulated a lot of fat and looks sad and uncomfortable, and download it. For the fifth and final scene, generate a video where the dog is extremely overweight, still eating the burger, and end it with a boom. Now all your videos are ready. For the voiceover, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a voiceover script for a 5-scene short video where each scene is 5 to 6 seconds long, explaining month-wise what happens if a dog eats only burgers his whole life. It should describe how in the first month he eats curiously, in the second month he becomes aggressive, in the third month he gains weight, in the fourth month he becomes unhealthy and sad, and in the fifth month he becomes extremely overweight with a dramatic ending. ChatGPT will generate a YouTube-friendly narration. Copy that script and go to any free text-to-speech website. Paste the script, select the voice you like, and click Convert. After the voiceover is generated, download it to your device. Now open any video editing software, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, import all your video clips in order, add the generated voiceover audio, match the first scene with the first month audio, second scene with the second month audio, trim wherever needed, and mute the original clip sound so only your voiceover plays clearly. And there you go, your final video is ready. What happens if your dog eats only burgers first month? It seems harmless. He loves the taste, gobbles it up, and wants more every single day. Second month, the obsession grows. He eats faster, more aggressively. Burgers aren't a treat anymore, they're all he wants. Third month, the weight starts showing. Extra fat builds up, energy drops, and those short walks feel longer. Fourth month. Now he's uncomfortable. Slower, heavier, and not as happy. Too much junk food is taking its toll. Fifth month. Body can't handle it anymore and he will go boom. For more such tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.